welcome to the show again! Metal Chef Mad Max. Hey! I will show you today quick and easy way to make some delicious marinade for chickies. Before you guys see me, I wash the chickies because chickies sometimes got cooties. Oh shit! The chicky water come out of the chickie. That's not a good sign. If that's happened to you with not this kind of chickie, with the other chickie, you just run like a crazy dickie, okay? Alright, anyway, we got those chickens. We're gonna do something to prep them up. Wing, go in the stock pot, because I don't throw it away these are parts. I put them in the stock pot, and I got chicken stock. Boom, boom, like this. Have the fatty parts. They got flavor, but they got cholesterol and fat. But what I do, I put my chicken stock in the plastic containers like this with the lid on. I put it in the freezer and I keep it. When it's ready to rock and roll, I take the fat off, I melt the chicken stock, and I get chicken stock anytime I want. I'm gonna split those delicious chickens. I got them in this organic store. A little bit more. But it's worth it. Look at the freshness of the chicken. Doesn't smell like a bleach. Sometimes you buy the chicken in those huge supermarkets because it got bleached and washed and shit. Yuck! So anyway, you pay a little bit more extra, but it's good for your health and tastes better. Alright, so splitting those babies in half like this. Just butterfly the chickies, okay? When the chickies are butterfly, you will take a little bit salt and rub it in a chickie. Oh, I used up all the world famous smoked salt made by Mad Max. It's time to make some more. So for right now, we're going to use, where's the Himalayan salt? I bought it yesterday, Michelle. Oh, there we go. I bought some really cool salt, Himalayan pink salt. So we're gonna use both of them. Season up the chickies from the both ways, okay? The chickies are seasoned with the salt. Gonna put some cracked black, not black, green peppercorn on it. Then the inside part, okay? So it looks like this, and then plastic container numero uno. No, it's crazy. Alright, I always got some cool stuff rock and rolling. That's basic garlic paste I made a couple days ago. A little bit in the bottom. And slap your chickie in a plastic container like this, and take some, oh shoot, I'm making all kinds of mess. Chickie juice from the asshole dripping, the spices are flowing, because that's the real cook show, not some bullshit pre-arranged, pre-made, prefabricated baloney show from the major network. So that's actually my tawak seasoning. You got it at the Arabic stores, Indian stores, and another helping of delicious garlic paste. And just let's go give a little massage. And then let's go flip it. And with the cleaner, a little bit more of the seasoning goes in the skin. Let's go do this thing. Oh, garlic everywhere. The spices everywhere. Alright. Wash your hands because we're going to show my people how it's done. Alright. Garlicky, spicy goodness of the Middle Eastern marinade. Then, container number 2. Be careful, don't contaminate shit. Oh. Remember Sofrito I made 2 days ago? Big helping on the bottom of Sofrito. Let's take some habanero Caribbean sauce and put it on it a little bit. And then take the peppered salted chicken number 2, stick it on it. I think more Himalayan salt will be necessary with this. I got feeling it's not enough. And Sofrito again goes on the top of the chicky. I don't know, the chicky was with the dicky, maybe it was rooster, who knows. And elaborate massage again. Massaging the both sides. And under the breast, so everything tastes good when we roast those babies. Alright, hand wash really fast. Check it out, this one, Sofrito Caribbean marinated chicky, and chicky with the garlic Lebanese spice on it. Alright, hey, it was hard? Not at all. The chicken parts and the stock pot, you add some carrots, celery, bay leaves, a little bit pepper, salt, cook it for 2-3 hours very slowly, get your chicken stock. Don't waste the food. Food costs too much money and too many people in the world starving. So be careful and don't waste the stuff. Alright, that's what I got for right now. Here in Middle Chef Med Mix with my Bila head. Keep on be kind to each other, people. Keep on rock and rolling. And till next time. Booyah! And shake that chicky up, baby!